How to make programming of PowerFlex 753 VFD Rockwell. First thing is to enter motor nameplate detail. To enter motor nameplate detail, here you will see 00. 00 is for the VFD screen. And if you change here, the different things will come. So that setting will go as per that parameter. Now number 2 is HIM, this is screen. And then number 3, Modbus communication card. Some available, some not as per site condition. Now the VFD here 00 VFD. So first is from 25 to 30, the motor nameplate detail. Go to parameter 25, then enter. So you will see the motor nameplate volt, whatever motor nameplate voltage, you have to enter here and make edit, and you can make it here like this, whatever you want, 400. And if you need point, this is point, but normally no need point for this. This is 400. Then you hold this on the screen. Proper. And then next point is 26, motor nameplate ampere. As per motor nameplate, whatever ampere you have to enter here. Same procedure, edit, enter. Hertz, motor nameplate, as per motor nameplate hertz. RPM, as per motor nameplate RPM. This kilowatt or hertz, normally keep kilowatt. This is the motor nameplate power, kilowatt. Since there is kilowatt, so here it is kilowatt. If you in the previous one, if you keep HP, here it will come in the HP. Motor pole also follow the nameplate. How many pole? 2 pole or 4 pole? So select as per that. Other thing no need to change. So 25 to this parameter things change, and then next is your speed control. To control the speed, again parameter number 545. 545 parameter will decide speed reference set point. So here if you go left right, you will see at this point it is selected as the reference A set point, and at the point number reference A, whatever speed it will take, 546 is that reference A set point, and then this is your 546 reference A set point. Now it is 60, so it will run on 60. Here if you will keep 45, 50 or whatever, so on that speed it will run. Now the question is, if you want variable speed or control from your analog input output from BMS, so how you will do it? So same, go parameter 545, enter. Okay, then go to the edit, then this analog input, from where you are taking. In some case analog input you are taking from the auxiliary card, so you will see here list of the card. Here we don't have auxiliary card, so you have only PowerFlex 753, so you have to select PowerFlex 753, then again enter, and then there is a lot of point which speed you want. This is the preset speed 1, means fixed speed 1, fixed speed 2. There are, so you have to go like this on the top, analog IN0 value on the bottom in the list. So analog input 0 value, and select this one. So this 545 now again if you go to the 545 and take the right, you will see IN0 value. Earlier it was speed reference A set point, so it was following speed reference. Now it will not follow speed reference, it will follow analog input 0 value. Next point 546. This is the analog. One more thing. Now analog input having 2 ranges, high and low. At analog input high, how much frequency you want, 50 or 60, you have to write it here. And when you are getting the 10 volt, how much speed you want, put it here. Normally 60 or 58, whatever. At analog input low, how much frequency you want, 60, 0, normally 0. And 0 volt, 0. Next is B no need. This is analog input output. Now remaining is analog output, to give 0 to 10 volt feedback to the BMS. If 10 volt output is coming, means we have to be running on 60 hertz. If coming 5 volt, means we have to be running on 30 hertz. So that one where you will see analog output like this, PowerFlex 753, enter this file after where. Then you go to the file group, and monitor and control. Feedback and IO, I think feedback and IO. This is digital input, analog output, see here analog output, enter. Analog output type, what is current or voltage, you will see the type here. If this is 0 means voltage, if this is last digit 1 means current. How to change this? This one can be changed from inside the VFD. There is a card, jumper J4, positioning change as per catalog. So analog input value, now at this moment what is value coming? 0, because VFD not running. Analog 0, at how many volt you want at 0? So 0. If you want 4 to some case, if you want 4 to 20 or 5 to 10 volt, this will decide. High 10 volt, and if it is running high 10 volt. This is the normal data. So this is our basic VFD programming.